In today's world, many people are seeking effective ways to improve their health and well-being. Among these methods, intermittent fasting has gained significant popularity as a powerful tool for achieving these goals. Intermittent fasting is not a diet in the traditional sense, but rather an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and voluntary fasting on a regular schedule. Unlike traditional diets that focus on what to eat, intermittent fasting emphasizes when to eat. This approach offers a simple yet effective way to manage weight, improve metabolic health, and enhance overall well-being. By strategically timing your meals, you can tap into your body's natural ability to burn fat, regulate hormones, and repair cells. Intermittent fasting is not about deprivation, but rather about creating a healthy balance between periods of nourishment and fasting. By allowing your body to cycle through these phases, you can optimize its natural processes and experience a wide range of health benefits. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your energy levels, or simply adopt a healthier lifestyle, intermittent fasting can be a valuable tool on your journey to better health. Let's delve deeper into the world of intermittent fasting and explore its various aspects. Among the various intermittent fasting methods available, two have gained significant popularity: the 16-8 method and the 5-2 method. Each approach offers a unique way to incorporate fasting into your routine, providing flexibility and choice based on individual preferences and lifestyles. The 16-8 method, also known as the daily time-restricted feeding method, involves fasting for 16 hours each day and restricting your eating window to 8 hours. For example, you might skip breakfast and have your first meal at noon, finishing your last meal by 8 p.m. This method is often considered the easiest to follow as it can be seamlessly integrated into daily life. On the other hand, the 5-2 method involves eating normally for 5 days a week and restricting calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. This approach allows for more flexibility during the week, as you can choose the 2 fasting days that best suit your schedule. Both the 16-8 and 5-2 methods have been shown to be effective for weight loss and improving metabolic health. Ultimately, the best method for you depends on your individual preferences, lifestyle, and how your body responds to fasting. To truly appreciate the power of intermittent fasting, it's essential to understand the science behind its effectiveness. When you fast, your body undergoes a series of metabolic changes that contribute to its numerous health benefits. During fasting, your insulin levels decrease, allowing your body to tap into stored fat for energy. This process, known as ketosis, is a metabolic state in which your body burns fat for fuel instead of glucose. As your body transitions into ketosis, you may experience increased energy levels, reduced hunger pangs, and improved mental clarity. Furthermore, fasting triggers cellular repair mechanisms, promoting autophagy, a process where your body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. This process is crucial for maintaining cellular health, preventing disease, and slowing down the aging process. Intermittent fasting also influences various hormones, including insulin, human growth hormone, and norepinephrine. These hormonal changes contribute to weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, and increased metabolism. While weight loss is often a primary motivator for people adopting intermittent fasting, its benefits extend far beyond shedding pounds. Intermittent fasting offers a holistic approach to health, improving various aspects of your well-being. One of the most significant benefits of intermittent fasting is its ability to promote weight loss by reducing overall calorie intake and increasing fat burning. By limiting the time window for eating, intermittent fasting naturally reduces the number of calories you consume, leading to a calorie deficit and subsequent weight loss. Moreover, intermittent fasting improves insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to use insulin more effectively to regulate blood sugar levels. This enhanced insulin sensitivity not only aids in weight management, but also reduces the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. In addition to weight loss and improved insulin sensitivity, intermittent fasting has been linked to numerous other health benefits, including reduced inflammation, improved heart health, and enhanced brain function. Section 5. Metabolic health, boosting your body's efficiency. Metabolic health plays a crucial role in overall well-being. Intermittent fasting has emerged as a powerful tool for improving metabolic health by optimizing various metabolic processes. By reducing insulin resistance, intermittent fasting allows your body to use insulin more effectively to regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes in blood glucose. This improved blood sugar control is essential for preventing type 2 diabetes and managing existing cases. Furthermore, intermittent fasting has been shown to improve cholesterol levels by reducing LDL or bad cholesterol and increasing HDL or good cholesterol. This positive impact on cholesterol levels contributes to a healthier cardiovascular system and reduces the risk of heart disease. Intermittent fasting also promotes the reduction of triglycerides, a type of fat found in the blood that is associated with heart disease and metabolic syndrome. By lowering triglyceride levels, intermittent fasting further enhances metabolic health and reduces the risk of developing chronic diseases. Section 6. Cellular repair and longevity. The fasting advantage. Intermittent fasting not only benefits your metabolic health but also extends its positive effects to the cellular level, promoting longevity and reducing the risk of age-related diseases. Fasting triggers autophagy, a natural cellular process where your body removes damaged cells and generates new ones. This process is crucial for maintaining cellular health, preventing the accumulation of damaged cells that can contribute to aging and disease. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can increase lifespan in animals, and researchers believe that similar benefits may extend to humans. By promoting autophagy and reducing oxidative stress, intermittent fasting may slow down the aging process and reduce the risk of age-related diseases. Moreover, intermittent fasting has been linked to a lower risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. By protecting brain cells and improving cognitive function, intermittent fasting may offer a proactive approach to maintaining brain health as we age. Section 7. Getting started with intermittent fasting tips for beginners. Embarking on an intermittent fasting journey can be both exciting and daunting, especially for beginners. To ensure a smooth and successful experience, it's essential to start gradually and listen to your body's signals. Begin by choosing an intermittent fasting method that aligns with your lifestyle and preferences. The 16-8 method is often a good starting point, as it involves a shorter fasting window and can be easily integrated into daily routines. During your fasting periods, it's crucial to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee. These beverages will keep you hydrated without breaking your fast. As you adjust to intermittent fasting, pay attention to your body's hunger cues. If you experience excessive hunger or discomfort, consider shortening your fasting window or adjusting your eating schedule. Section 8. Listening to your body, adjusting intermittent fasting to your needs. Intermittent fasting is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's essential to listen to your body and adjust your fasting schedule as needed to ensure it remains a sustainable and enjoyable lifestyle change. Factors such as activity level, sleep patterns, and stress levels can influence how your body responds to fasting. If you find that your energy levels are low or you're experiencing difficulty sleeping, you may need to adjust your fasting window or frequency. It's also important to note that intermittent fasting may not be suitable for everyone, including pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with a history of eating disorders, and those with certain medical conditions. It's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to experiencing the full benefits of intermittent fasting. Find a fasting schedule that works for you and stick to it as much as possible, making adjustments as needed based on your body's feedback. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing intermittent fasting for a healthier life. In a world saturated with complex diets and weight loss fads, intermittent fasting stands out as a simple yet effective approach to improving health and well-being. By harnessing the power of fasting, we can optimize our body's natural processes, promoting weight loss, enhancing metabolic health, and extending longevity. From the 16-8 method to the 5-2 method, there are various ways to incorporate intermittent fasting into your lifestyle. The key is to find an approach that aligns with your preferences and fits seamlessly into your daily routine. As you embark on your intermittent fasting journey, remember to start gradually, listen to your body's signals, and make adjustments as needed. With consistency and patience, you can unlock the transformative benefits of intermittent fasting and embrace a healthier, more vibrant life.